Now Christmas is over and everybody's got their shiny new products. There's perfectly good gadgets being thrown in drawers everywhere. This is the iPad mini 6 and it was destined to never be charged again. However, I've bought 5 accessories to give this iPad a new life as my daily tablet. But first of all, as you can see, it needs a clean. Let's talk about the specs while we're cleaning. It's got an 8.3-inch liquid retina display, Touch ID, Apple's A15 Bionic chip with 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU and 16-core neural engine. It's got 4GB of RAM, 12 megapixel wide camera on the rear and a 12 megapixel ultra wide on the front. Fortunately this one is the 64GB, but with the cloud storage and other bits of magic we can still use it. Just for good measure, we'll give the pencil a clean. So now we're clean, it's time to put some protection on this device. Cover the scratches and dents and to change the colour to suit me a little bit better. I found a company based in the UK called Easy Skins. So to begin with, the presentation is really good. We've got a nice camo skin that I've bought. I did pause the video for a minute to get a hairdryer because it says about using a hairdryer to put these bits on. But then when you go on the tutorial videos, they're not using hairdryers, so I've had to go without, and so far it seems okay. The bit that's going to make all the difference, this is to make sure this is clean, but obviously there's scratches and dents, so can't be perfect. I've got to decide, do we cover up the Apple logo or do we not? I think this would be easier upside down. Okay, that is the Easy Skin black camouflage. I think it looks really nice. It's definitely better than the pink. Nothing against pink, just not my style. I'll put a link in the description to Easy Skins. And I think they're actually quite decent. They could have thrown in some, I don't know if this is a sticker that we can use now. That would have been a nice little touch. Okay, so let's move on to the next piece of protection, which is a JTech screen protector. Now, I am fully aware that that is the wrong iPad mini. So, now the usual bits and bobs. What have we got here? As you can see, there's still some air bubbles in there, but it was my own fault. I put it on wrong, so I'll leave it on for now. We'll order another one. I might get the actual Paperlike, but it's £30, so this was only, I think this was only a tenner. For the next 2 accessories, it's from a company called Moft, which you've probably all heard of. This is the dynamic folio for the iPad mini 6. As you can see here, there are several different ways that we can fold the case. To go with it, as we've got the Apple Pencil, we've got the Apple Pencil holder. It's a good experience. Unboxing's decent, isn't it? Ah, there we go. Okay. Very nice texture, and it's going to go nicely with the camo. Try to experience more. Unfold boldness. Before we start using this, you can see there that this is the space for the Apple Pencil. Might as well get that unboxed while we're at it. Yeah. Okay, there's a little ruler there as well. I'm not sure how much I'll be using that, but again, the boxing experience, very good, very Apple-esque. And what should we see? Oh, it's magnetic. So let's put that nicely into place there. And the reason I like this case is because with the silicone of the Easy Skin on the outside, as you can see there, it doesn't need the full protection of the sides of the case, so it's nice and thin, it's easy to just drop in, which is something that I really like, so let's have a go. That fit quite nicely. Oh yeah, that's very good, do that. Oh, okay, yeah, that's good, I like that. Right, let's have a look at some of these ways to do things. So that's mode 1, the standing mode, which is really good. Oh, I see, so the actual case splits, not splits, but does that. Oh, I see, so the bottom of the case opens out like that. This is meant to be the dual screen mode. I think because it's new, the case needs a bit more fiddling so it's loose, and then at the minute if I just press that, it does that. I think it just needs to be used a little bit more and then it should be okay. So I've got to say the materials are very nice, feel very premium. I do like this Apple Pencil holder, nice and sturdy. As I say, it's quite stiff at the moment, so doing all the folds that we need to do, like these two magnets that are meant to clip together, as you can see, they're not quite strong enough yet. I think that might be more to do with the newness of the case. It needs a few more folds before that will work. I think that's a really good case. Moft, I think you've done quite a good job there. And there'll be another video coming where I show you how this is going to be my daily tablet and what I'm going to use it for going forward. It's already helped making these videos, taking notes and things like that. And the last iPad I had wasn't on iOS 26, this is, so it is much better. So this last accessory is for productivity. Every iPad needs a keyboard. I'm going to guess this is called Rye, but you never know. And this keyboard also has a little trackpad. Let's get it open so you can see. So this is Bluetooth. It's got its own dongle. It's charged by USB-C. It then clicks. It has a little trackpad. Whether it works or not, we're about to find out. This is so you can be sat back on the train or wherever, and you can use your iPad at a distance, handheld, so you haven't got to be finding somewhere to put it down. You've got media buttons across the top, as well as function buttons. It would have been nice actually if the trackpad was somewhere, because I do feel like I'm stretching my right hand more to hit the keyboard, but we're connected now. Oh, okay. As you can probably see on the screen, we've got a little cursor now. There's me learning about freeform. iPad. I've definitely got to get used to this. I mean, it definitely worked. I think this was £20 or just under. Now, it's a nice little keyboard which is going to be used for a media server more so than for this iPad. But my idea behind it was that you've got a little controller, little keyboard here, very much like the Sony Xperia X1 from back in the day. I think it does have a little place with the iPad mini. It's a nice handy little device. It fits just like a television remote, to be honest, and that is what it's designed for, really. But I still think it's got its place and it fits quite nicely with it being mini, with the mini. So yeah, not too bad. Again, links in the description and the costs. Right, so to review what we've done with this iPad. So we've taken it from the scrap heap, we've cleaned it, we've given it a new lease of life. It's got a nice new skin, it's looking more stealthy, and the accessories are top notch. High quality case, lovely protection for the Apple Pencil there, and should we need it, a nice little miniature keyboard that can go alongside it to make it a tiny little package. Okay. Now I do need to script my videos because this was awful, but I'm still going to put it out. So if you enjoyed it, please like, please subscribe, and hopefully we can make some more videos in this new year.